Microwave technology, from invention to everyday use. Microwaves are a type of electromagnetic radiation with wavelengths ranging from approximately 1 mm to 1 meter. They fall within the spectrum of electromagnetic waves between infrared radiation and radio waves. Microwave technology is also used in radar systems for various purposes, such as weather monitoring, air traffic control, and military applications. The ability of microwaves to bounce off objects and return as echoes allows radar systems to detect and track the location, speed, and other characteristics of targets. In summary, microwaves are a form of electromagnetic radiation with a range of applications. They have revolutionized cooking, enabled long-distance communication, facilitated radar systems, and contributed to scientific advancements in various fields.